I'm going to be installing the Active Autowerke Performance Midpipe in an absolutely gorgeous 2018 F80 M3. This is an upgrade you should absolutely consider for your car. The difference that this is going to make, not only in performance and sound, is going to be dramatic. This is an easy install. It's not hard. It's something you can do at home really pretty simply and with some real simple tools. I'm going to lay that out really nicely for you and you can see how it's going to be done. Really quickly, please click subscribe. Please click the little alarm bell next to it so you can see all the notifications from upcoming videos, and I've got a lot of projects in the pipeline just like this one. So I'm really excited to get out to the garage, get this install started, and show you how to do this yourself. All right, here we are out in the garage. We have a gorgeous M3 that we're going to work on this morning and install this Active Autowerke Midpipe. It's up on the quick jacks, which really are fantastic. If you haven't had a chance to watch my quick jack video yet, definitely check that out. Nothing like sliding the rails underneath and hitting the button, and it's 22, 23 inches in the air just seconds later, so all good to go. So I'm going to crawl underneath the car. I'm going to show the exhaust and the parts that we're going to adjust and take off as we go through. We're going to make a couple of cuts. This does not have the MPE exhaust. It has the normal standard exhaust, but that isn't a big deal. So we're going to get this midpipe installed. Now, a little bit different than normal. Being underneath the car, my camera angles are going to be a little bit short because of the distance, but I'll definitely point it out as we go, and this is going to be great. At the tail first. All my camera angles are going to be pretty tight today, again, because it's not on a full lift. So you can see the two branches come off from the exhaust. We're going to make a cut right here on both sides, which I'll show and document very closely as we go through it. As we look up the body, as we roll, you can see our hangers as we go. We've got the resonators, we've got this mounting brace right here in the center that we're going to take off. We're going to take this all off in order and I'll show you how we go through it. I just want to roll up the body as we go. So we continue up. You can see we can get up the body here, heading towards the motor. We've got another hanger there that we're going to take off. So you can see as we go. And we've got right here where your midpipe connects to your downpipe. So we're going to take off the 13mm nuts right there that will loosen that, but the connector plate with the big Allen bolts on it will stay. So I'll show each step as we go here. We roll back down the car and I'll show each stage, each connection as we look at all of our brackets that hold it in place and our braces, because this whole center section is going to come out. It's going to make a huge difference in your car as we go.